how to connect ChatGPT to Outlook Mail. First of all, open your ChatGPT, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see right here. After doing that, tap on plugins. Then in here, you can see a filter icon right here on the corner. Simply tap on that one. Then tap on browse apps. After doing that, here you can see there are a lot of apps that you can choose from which we're going to search for our Outlook mail. Here you can see Outlook email right here, tap on it. And all you need to do is tap on connect. Then tap on continue to Outlook email. Then from here, you'll get this pop-up, tap on continue. Then we'll get to our sign-in page of Microsoft, from which you'll have to now enter all of your credentials, like your email or phone number and your password. So you have to remember that you cannot use your personal email address in here. It has to be either your work email or your student email. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.